merong kayong plinanta na tao para tayaan ang lahat ng possible combinations.
Sabi ko nga po, that is po part of the business decision na ginawa po namin, and we have here po the results that made us more money than what we invested. I think it's overall the 50% in 30 days po. Malaki na po yun sa aming tingin.
So, ang tanong ko bago sa sunod ko katanungan, 500,000 halimbawa na in-invest nyo sa 649 games noong December na may nanalo 640 million. 500 million doon ay galing sa prize fund reserve. Nabawi nyo ba yung 500 million na in-invest?
Opo, with income pa po.
Magkano ang bumalik? Okay, para mapabilis tayo, 640 million yung price. So, ibig sabihin, 140 million lang ang na-generate mula sa mga mananaya. Simple mathematics to. Because the 500 million came from the prize fund reserve in Augment.
Mr. Chairman, if I may.
Yes.
We added 472,750,000.
You said sa previous hearing, 500 million.
Hindi po. 500, well, it's rounded off kasi. Yung pot po, binuo as 500,
Okay,
500.
Magkano po
So, hindi po yun yung exact dahil dati na pong meron yun eh.
Okay.
So, we rounded it off para po madali
So,
naman.
magkano pong inad?
We ended 472,750,798. Ang na-generate pong sales niyan is 675,122,860 with an income of 202 million.
Teka muna, so bago kayo nag-augment ng 470 million doon sa jackpot na 649, how much was the jackpot price prior to adding 470 million?
28. Yung normal po dyan would be 28 million po.
Di ba nag-add po kayo ng 472?
Opo.
Bago niyo po dinagdagan ng 472, magkano po yung jackpot price?
Uh, 28 million po, 249,201.
So, yun.
Opo.
Okay.
So we added 472 million, and the sales from that promo, from that action po was 675,122,860, netting us 202,372,061 po.
So doon sa dinagdag yung 472, bumalik, magkano bumalik po?
675 po.
675 ang balik.
Opo.
So meron kayong gain na
202 po. 202, 370.
The reason why I'm asking that, Mr. Robles, ito yung issue. Sa 649, 14 million ang total combinations. Tama?
Opo.
You follow me? Lahat
Opo.
kayo? So 14 million combinations, you times that sa 20 equals to 280 million.
Opo.
Tama? So kung ima-minus mo yung 280 sa 640 kasi yun ang naging jackpot eh. Tama? Is equals to 360 million. So napapalo niyo pa ako. Now, lumilitaw ayon po sa mga taong nag-reply sa akin sa social media, mga taong nakausap ko, yung mga mananaya, pinalobo yung price, yung jackpot, para tayaan. At sino yung tumaya? At paano yung pagtaya? I will explain. Meron ba tayong ano rito? IT expert? ComSec? Do we have an invited IT expert? Baka pwede nyo paupuin yung IT expert para no, I want an independent kasi sa ano siya sa Iloto Games eh. So, hindi, dapat third party IT expert. Walang kinalaman sa PCSO, walang kinalaman sa Pacific. DICT? Okay, very good. Para magsabi kung totoo ba itong mga itong concern, kung meron bang basis itong concern na maraming mga mananaya sa loto. Okay. You're there and you've been listening kanina pa.
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Good morning to you. And state your name, please, ma'am.
I'm Attorney Hazel Bianca Ortega from the DICT.
Okay, pwede natin lagyan ng pangalan. Si ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Chair, first we apologize because right now we don't have any technical experts that focuses on online games as of the moment. However, we can commit to submit our position paper upon gathering all the information that we could discuss in this platform, most especially in coordination with other representatives with other government agencies also. Mr. Chair, thank you.
Attorney Ortega. Okay, Mr. Robles and Mr. Acua, Chairman ng PCSO. So nandun na po tayo sa 260 million. Ang sinasabi ng ilan, merong kayong plinanta na tao para tayaan ang lahat ng possible combinations. At ginawa yun yun, 280 million ang ginastos. Minus dun sa 640, may ganansya pang 360. Paano gagawin yon? 414 million combinations. Napakatagal yon. Kung tutuusin, DICT, you're still following? Now, ang sinasabi ngayon nila, possible naman daw yon. Especially, itong 649 ay pinalunan sa online. Pwedeng manipulahin yung machine na para magkaroon na automatic sequence betting na in a matter of minutes or hours, kaya nang matayaan ang lahat ng numero. You follow me, DICT? So is that something,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
pagsay lang, is that possible?
Mr. Chair, as far as we understand, the intricacies of the system with respect to online gaming and specifically for Lotto games are very unique and different from one another. That's why we really need to also cooperate. We also really need the cooperation of other government agencies for us to understand how their system works and compare it vice versa with what we know right now in our department, Mr. Chair.
What's your reaction, Mr. Robles?
Your concern, Mr. Chair, is very valid. We understand that you really wanted to get at the bottom of this. But kami po ay tumataya. Ang laro po namin ay you have to bet it actually. Yung system betting, which is actually with the e-lotto, is actually only for 6 days yung advance nila. Ano po? So, we don't know of yung sinasabi yung ganyan po karaming massive voting. Hindi ko po alam paano po gagawin yon. And to begin with po, we would like to assure you that you can never manipulate it. Kaya nga po allowed kami mag-bet, Mr. Chair. Even I can bet because it's beyond me, Mr. Chairman. Even if we wanted to, with the system we have po, we cannot. Kaya I take exception na kayang panalunin, no? Definitely, marami pong tataya pag malaki ang jackpot. Yun po naman ang objective namin. So really bring in the bettors, no? Because if mamanipulahin yan, kung kaya pong manipulatin yan, Your Honor, I don't think you had to bet more. Kasi kung ang premise natin ay mamanipulate, I think just 20 pesos will be enough.
Mr. Chair, Mr. General Manager, you're hearing me but you're not listening. Wala ko sinasabi na mamanipulahin yung game. There's no manipulation actually kung tutusin. What I'm trying to say here is tatayaan lahat ng possible combinations. again, DICT, tatayaan yung 14 million combinations. Sabi mo kasi may 6 days.
Yung advanced betting po yan,
Okay.
advanced betting. Mr. Chair, if I may,
Sir, let me finish. Tatayaan po lahat na itong 14 million combinations. How would that happen? Kasi kung 14 million, hindi naman pwede isang tao taya dito, taya doon, taya doon. Magulo at impossible. Pero pwedeng gawin ng isang tao lang at merong siyang kasabwat sa Pacific online. Kasi di ba yung 649, it was one through Iloto. Tama?
hindi po sa ano po yan, sa standalone po yung over the counter.
Sige, okay pa rin ako dyan, kahit na standalone. Okay, ngayon, tatayaan lahat ng possible combination. In matters of days, not days, in matters of hours, may konting adjustment doon sa machine para matayaan lahat ng combinations. Sa PCSO, pwedeng magkaroon, not in PCSO, sa isang bodega dyan, 10 machine, walang gagawin, every second, every minute, every hour, kundi mag-generate ng taya hanggang sa makover na yung 14 million combinations in a matter of hours. After 24 hours, bingo, 10 machines, natayaan na yung 14 million combinations. That is the reason why nagkaroon ng duda yung pagdadagdag. Kaya nga, I'm here to tell you, I will stop that practice ninyo na mag-augment from the prize fund.
Mr. Chair, our records will show.
Augment sa jackpot coming from the prize reserve fund. So, you follow me, Mr. Robles?
But Mr. Chair, if I may, betting po on all combinations is a right of anybody. Kung it doesn't guarantee anything po. Kung assuming somebody betted on all the combinations, which is allowed naman po, if you can, it doesn't even guarantee you that you will get the jackpot by yourself. No?
Yes.
Paring 2 kayo, 3 kayo,
Yes.
4 po. That's number 1. Number 2, our record shows na hindi naman po binetan po ang lahat ng combinations on the day po ng tinamaan.
So, you can show us that record
Opo.
na
Opo.
hindi tinayaan
Hindi
lahat.
po.
Kasi yun ang concern ng mga
Opo.
bettors.
Hindi po natayaan. Mhm.
And you will also show us, hindi lamang sa 649, so sa lahat ng games.
Opo.
642, 645, 649, 655, and
Yes, Your
658.
Honor. Yes.
Kasi yun ang concern ng mga bettors.
Opo.
So show us the records na hindi lahat ng combinations ay tinayaan.
Opo.
Kasi pag lumitaw na lahat ng combination ay tinayaan para manalo, then doon nagkaroon ng house show kung tawagin.
Well, sabi ko nga po,
Hindi lang, sir. Kailangan lang sagutin mo lang. I need a record
Opo, we'll give you po now. If
sa
if
lahat
you want
ng
po.
panalo, hindi tinayaan ang lahat ng combinations.
Opo.